Hello and welcome. Today we are going to see how we can design a automatic on-off battery charger with a single op-amp. We are taking a 4.5 volt battery with 1.5 ampere capacity. We are taking a battery with 4.5 volts and 1.5 ampere capacity. That means if the battery has 1.5 ampere capacity, the maximum current that we can use to charge the battery is around 10% of this. So if you take 10% it will be around 150 milliampere. So we are rounded it and we take a current of 200 milliampere. Within the maximum current that is allowed to charge this battery is 200 milliampere. We are designing in such a way that if the battery voltage is less than 3 volt, the battery has to be charged, and when it reaches more than 4.5 volt, charging has to be stopped. So we are going to design a circuit like that. So if we look at this circuit, the input voltage is 6 volt. We are using a voltage divider with a 20k resistor and 10k resistor. So 20k resistor by 10k resistor, we will get 6 volts divided by total is 30k into 20k. This will be the voltage at this point. So the voltage at this point will be around 2 volts. The voltage at this point will be 2 volts. That means the voltage at this point will be 2 volts. Now, if the battery voltage falls below 3 volts, that means the voltage at this point below falls 3 volts. This voltage point, this point will be at 2 volt. That means when the battery is 3 volt, this point is also will be at less than 2 volt. When this voltage will be less than 2 volt, this point will be on. That means the transistor will be on. That means when the battery voltage falls below 3 volt, this point will be less than 2 volt. When this point will be less than 3 volt, this point will be high. That means the transistor is on. When the battery voltage reaches less than 3 volt, the battery began to charge. And if we are not putting this resistor and giving a feedback like this, when the battery voltage falls below 3 volts, the transistor will be on. Again the battery will be charged. When the battery will be charged, again the voltage is increased to more than 3.5 volt. Again the transistor will be turned off. Again the battery voltage falls below 3 volts. Again the transistor will be turned on. So this process will continue. So the continuous on and off of the transistor will happen, and the battery voltages will be around 3 volts all the time. If the battery voltage falls below 3 volts, this will be on. When this will be on, if we say that this voltage is at 1 volt, this output of the operational amplifier or comparator is 1 volt. When this voltage is 1 volt, this point will be now this 2 volt plus this 1 volt will give 3 volt. So now the voltage at this point become 3 volt. Why we put this diode is that if we does not put the diode, this point will be at 2 volt. So the transistor will be on all the time. So if we put this diode, when this point is at 0, this diode will be reverse bias and no voltage will come at this base of this transistor. This diode is very important. So when the output of the operational amplifier reaches when this point falls below 2 volt, this output will become 1 volt, the transistor will on, and when this output will become 1 volt, the total reference voltage will be 2 volt plus this 1 volt, 3 volt will be the reference voltage. So the transistor will be on until this point reaches 3 volts. That means when this point will be 3 volt, if this point has to be at 3 volts, that means across this resistor we have to get 3 volt. So this point, this resistor is half of this resistor, so this voltage has to be 1.5 volt until, so the total voltage will be 3 plus 1.45 volt is 4.5 volt. That means when the battery voltage reaches 4.5 volt, this point will be at 3 volt, same to this volt. When more than 3 volt, when this point will be more than 3 volt, this transistor will be off again. When the transistor is off again, this reference voltage has reduced from 3 volt to now 2 volt. The transistor will not be on until this point become 2 volt. Now the point is 3 volt. So in order to reduce this voltage from 3 volt to 2 volt, the battery has to be discharged. That means when this point is 4.5 volt, this point will be at 3 volt. So in order to have 2 volt at this point, the battery voltage has to be 3 volt, reduced to 3 volt, discharged to 3 volt. When the battery voltage is reduced to 3 volt, this point becomes 2 volt, less than 2 volt, and again the transistor is on. When the transistor is on, the reference voltage increases from 2 volt to 3 volt. Battery will be charged in between 3 volt and 3 volt. The battery voltage will be charged only when it falls below 3 volt, and it will cut off when the voltage becomes 4.5 volt. So by using a single operational amplifier, we can design a automatic on-off battery charger. This feedback is called hysteresis. Hysteresis means we are taking the output and giving a feedback to the reference point, so that the reference for voltage is changed from a low value to high value, so that we can avoid the continuous on-off. So by using this circuit, the battery is charged only when it falls below 3 volts and cut off when the battery voltage reaches 4.5 volt. In between these voltages, the transistor is not turned on and the battery will not be charged. So this is how we can design a automatic on-off battery charger.